is the difference between a bookkeeper and a tax professional?
Okay. A tax professional, it could be a CPA, an enrolled agent, and they are basically people that actually prepare your tax return.
Got it.
Well, bookkeeper is someone who tracks your income and expenses. They may use computer accounting software. I know QuickBooks is a big one and Xero is another one.
Sure.
So that's the difference. The bookkeeper keeps track of the daily activity in your account.
So typically the bookkeeper would be the one that at the end of the year would, or quarterly or however you're running your business, tracking it with your accountant, would then send you the reports.
Exactly.
So I own a business. When do I hire a bookkeeper? Like, when do I know it's that time? Right?
Right. I have a lot of people say, oh, I'm not big enough or I don't make enough money. I think you should hire a bookkeeper right away.
Yeah.
I mean, because most bookkeepers bill by the hour, so
Sure.
if you just have an hour's worth of activity, that's all they'll bill you for. But you'll always know where you are. I have clients that come in and I'll help them out. I'll say, well, I'll help you for an hour to get you set up because I want them to see the importance of it.
Right.
And then they'll look at their financials and they don't realize, oh, I did great or I didn't do so wonderful. So I think right away, I think ideally.
Well, it makes sense because, look, let's say I'm just going to use some generic stuff. You're opening a business to build widgets, right? Okay. You shouldn't be focused on keeping the books, right? You should be focused on building the best widget you can and then going out and selling it.
Exactly.
Making a profit.
Yeah, exactly. I agree.
So it makes sense.
Paying someone that does that. They'll be really fast. You won't have to figure out how to do it.
And the great thing is, like you said, there are bookkeepers out there that work on an hourly basis.
Right.
So that's great. You don't have to hire somebody full time. You can bring them in, they can do what they need, and then go on their way. And I'm sure you probably know some good bookkeepers.
Right? I do, definitely.